OnePlus 12 Review 2024, the best smartphone of the year. After staying in the spotlight throughout the past year, 2023, the OnePlus 12 has recently made it to the store shelves in India yesterday. Meanwhile, the internet is flooded with rumors and reports hinting at the potential full-scale launch very soon. The OnePlus 12 is the flagship offering of its manufacturing company, OnePlus, which will succeed its older sibling, the OnePlus 11, which launched last year in February. Here's your official OnePlus 12 review. OnePlus 12 unboxing. After coming out of the box, the marble-like, sleek and tempting looks of the OnePlus 12 give tantalizing vibes, proving itself something of out-of-box caliber, while validating and confirming to all the claims that boasted about the exceptional design and efficiency of the smartphone. Inside the box, the set of accessories offered alongside the brand new OnePlus 12 model entail a 100-watt super WeCCC fast charger, a USB Type-A to Type-C cable, a protective case, and a SIM ejector tool. OnePlus 12 design and display. The OnePlus 12 comes with a sleek and modern design made of glass and metal. It has a curved display with a punch hole cutout for the front-facing camera. The available color options include black, white, and green. The handset features a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a QHD+ resolution of 3216 by 1440 pixels, coupled with a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling. OnePlus 12 performance and hardware, accommodating 16GB of RAM and up to 512GB of internal storage. The OnePlus 12 is powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which offers unmatched performance for gaming freaks, multitasking, and other challenging tasks. Running on Oxygen OS 13, which is based on Android 13, OnePlus 12 offers a user-friendly interface with various customization options. OnePlus 12 camera test. The OnePlus 12 features a triple camera setup on the rear side, consisting of a 50MP primary sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 32MP telephoto sensor. However, the front-facing camera has a resolution of 16MP. The camera system offers various features such as optical image stabilization, 4K video recording, and a dedicated night mode. OnePlus 12 fast charging. OnePlus 12 is backed by a large 5000 mAh battery with support for 80-watt fast charging, which allows it to be charged from 0 to 100% in just 30 minutes.